So our first example I want to do is I want to solve the system. X prime is y, and y prime is 2x plus y. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these equations and differentiate it. So let's take the top equation, and we're going to differentiate it. So we're going to end up with x double prime is equal to y prime. And at first glance, this seems worse because now we have second derivatives where before we only had first derivatives. But if we can write everything in terms of one variable, then we win because we know how to solve second order linear homogeneous equations. And that's what this would become. And so if y prime is x double prime, then the second equation that we're looking at here, so star is going to become, let's see, x double prime is equal to 2x plus y. Now y we said was x prime. And now look, what we've done is we've taken this system and turned it into a second order linear homogeneous equation with constant coefficients. So this now means that we have to solve x double prime minus x prime minus 2x is 0. So we're going to look at the characteristic equation. R squared minus r minus 2 is equal to 0. That factors as r minus 2 times r plus 1. And so r is going to be 2 and minus 1. And therefore our solution, x of t, is going to be equal to c1 e to the 2t plus c2 e to the minus t, taking our roots, 2 and negative 1, and making them those constants that we get there. Okay, now c1 and c2 can be whatever constants we want, but as soon as we pick constant c1 and c2 for x, as soon as we have the c1 and c2, we have to use the same values for y, because remember, y was the derivative of x. So y is going to be the derivative of x. So that's x prime of t. So it's going to be 2c1 e to the 2t minus c2 e to the negative 2t. And the point here is that this c1 and this c1 are the same. So if you mess with one of these constants, you have to mess with the other. So you can change the constants down here, but then you need to correspondingly change them up here. I would suggest just not messing with them at all. Okay, just leave your answer just like this. Your solution is x is c1 e to the 2t plus c2 e to the negative t. And then y, being the derivative of x, is 2c1 e to the 2t minus c2 e to the negative 2t. Okay, and that's really the entire strategy of everything that we're going to talk about. Maybe we'll do just one more example in the next video.